Every day, your skin faces sunlight, pollution, and tiny injuries. Yet most of the time, it repairs itself without you even noticing. How does your skin manage this incredible feat? Today, we'll uncover the science behind your skin's natural repair system and the vital role of collagen. Far from being just a protective covering, your skin is a living, dynamic organ that's constantly working to keep you safe and healthy. Let's dive into the fascinating world beneath the surface. Your skin is more than a barrier. It's a living shield made up of layers that work together to protect you from harm. The outermost layer, called the epidermis, is constantly renewing itself. Underneath, the dermis provides strength and flexibility. This teamwork is what keeps your skin resilient, even when faced with daily challenges. Deep within the epidermis, new skin cells are always being created. These cells slowly move upward, replacing older cells that are shed from the surface. This process ensures that your skin stays fresh and can recover quickly from minor damage. It's like having a built-in renewal system that never stops working. Beneath the surface, in the dermis, special cells called fibroblasts play a crucial role. These cells are the body's natural builders. Their main job is to produce collagen, the protein that forms a supportive network throughout your skin. Without fibroblasts, your skin wouldn't have the strength or elasticity it needs. Collagen is like the scaffolding of your skin. It forms a network of fibers that gives your skin its firmness and bounce. When you're young, collagen is abundant and well-organized, keeping your skin smooth and resilient. But what happens when this network is damaged? Your skin faces threats every day. Sunlight, especially ultraviolet (UV) rays, can damage skin cells and collagen fibers. Pollution and small injuries also take their toll, but your skin is prepared. It has a built-in repair system that springs into action whenever damage occurs. When your skin is damaged, it sends out chemical signals, like an alarm system. These signals alert nearby cells and trigger the repair process. Damaged cells are quickly identified and marked for removal, making way for new, healthy cells to take their place. One of the first steps in skin repair is removing damaged or dead cells. Specialized immune cells act like cleanup crews, clearing away debris and making space for new growth. This ensures that only healthy cells remain as the repair process continues. After the cleanup, your body starts building new skin cells. These fresh cells fill in the gaps left by the damage, gradually restoring the skin's surface. This process is so efficient that minor injuries often heal without leaving a trace. While new skin cells are being created, fibroblasts get to work repairing or replacing damaged collagen fibers. They produce fresh collagen, weaving it into the existing network. This step is crucial for restoring the skin's strength and flexibility. Alongside collagen, another protein called elastin helps your skin snap back into shape after stretching. Elastin fibers are also repaired during the healing process, ensuring your skin remains flexible and resilient. Skin repair happens in stages. First, the body stops any bleeding and forms a temporary barrier. Next, new cells and collagen are produced to rebuild the damaged area. Finally, the skin remodels itself, refining the new tissue to blend in with the surrounding skin. Sometimes the repair process isn't perfect. If the damage is deep or severe, the body may produce extra collagen, leading to scar formation. Scars are a sign of your body's effort to heal quickly and protect you from further harm. As we age, the skin's repair process slows down. The body produces less collagen, and damaged fibers aren't replaced as quickly. This gradual slowdown is one reason why older skin heals more slowly and is more prone to wrinkles. Over time, the balance between collagen breakdown and repair shifts. Environmental stress, UV exposure, and natural aging all contribute to the gradual loss of collagen. When breakdown outpaces repair, the skin loses its firmness and elasticity. The visible signs of aging, like wrinkles and sagging, are largely due to changes in collagen and elastin. As these fibers weaken, the skin can't bounce back as easily and lines begin to form. This is a natural part of the aging process. Even though aging is inevitable, there are ways to support your skin's natural repair mechanisms. Protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure, eating a balanced diet, and using gentle skincare products can all help maintain healthy collagen levels. Certain nutrients, like vitamin C, are essential for collagen production. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and proteins provides your skin with the building blocks it needs to repair itself efficiently. Keeping your skin hydrated is another important factor. Water helps transport nutrients to skin cells and supports the repair process. Well-hydrated skin is more resilient and heals faster. Your skin does much of its repair work while you sleep. During deep sleep, The body increases blood flow to the skin and boosts collagen production. Getting enough rest is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can slow down skin repair. These substances damage collagen and reduce the skin's ability to heal. Avoiding them helps your skin stay strong and youthful. Using gentle cleansers and moisturizers helps protect your skin's barrier. Harsh products can strip away natural oils and disrupt the repair process. Choose products that support rather than stress your skin. Wearing sunscreen is one of the most effective ways to prevent collagen breakdown. UV rays are a major cause of skin aging and damage. Daily sun protection helps preserve your skin's repair abilities. Antioxidants, found in many fruits and vegetables, help neutralize free radicals that damage skin cells and collagen. Including antioxidant-rich foods in your diet supports your skin's natural defenses. Some people choose to take collagen supplements to support skin health. While research is ongoing, some studies suggest that these supplements may help improve skin elasticity and hydration, especially as we age. Certain skincare ingredients like retinoids and peptides can stimulate collagen production. These ingredients encourage fibroblasts to work harder, helping to repair and rebuild the skin's supportive network. Dermatologists offer treatments like microneedling and laser therapy that can trigger the skin's repair response. These procedures create controlled microinjuries, prompting the body to produce new collagen and improve skin texture. Your skin is home to billions of beneficial microbes. This microbiome helps protect against harmful bacteria and supports the skin's repair process. Keeping your skin's microbiome balanced is another way to promote healing. Inflammation is a natural part of the repair process. It helps remove damaged cells and signals the body to start rebuilding. However, chronic inflammation can slow healing and damage collagen, so managing inflammation is important. Your genes play a role in how quickly and efficiently your skin repairs itself. Some people naturally produce more collagen or have faster cell turnover, while others may need extra support to keep their skin healthy. Hormones also influence skin repair. For example, estrogen helps maintain collagen levels, which is why skin can change during puberty, pregnancy, or menopause. Hormonal balance is key for optimal skin health. Chronic stress can interfere with the skin's repair process. Stress hormones may slow collagen production and increase inflammation, making it harder for your skin to heal. Managing stress is important for both your skin and overall health. Regular exercise boosts blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. This improved circulation supports the repair process and helps keep your skin looking vibrant and healthy. Being gentle with your skin, especially when cleansing or applying products, prevents unnecessary damage. Rubbing or scrubbing too hard can disrupt the repair process and weaken the skin's barrier. When you get a cut or scrape, your skin goes through several healing stages, stopping bleeding, cleaning out bacteria, building new tissue, and finally, remodeling the area. Each stage relies on collagen and other proteins to restore strength and function. Certain factors, like poor nutrition, chronic illness, or repeated injury, can slow down the skin's repair process. Supporting your overall health helps your skin heal more efficiently. Blood vessels deliver oxygen and nutrients to the skin, fueling the repair process. After injury, new blood vessels may form to support healing, ensuring that all cells get what they need to rebuild. Platelets are tiny blood cells that help stop bleeding and release growth factors. These growth factors signal skin cells and fibroblasts to start the repair process, making platelets essential for healing. Growth factors are special proteins that act as messengers, telling skin cells when to grow, divide, or repair. They play a key role in coordinating the entire healing process, from start to finish. Healthy skin repair depends on a delicate balance between breaking down old tissue and building new tissue. When this balance is maintained, your skin stays strong, smooth, and resilient. When your skin's repair system is working well, you'll notice quick healing of minor cuts, a smooth and even texture, and a natural glow. These are all signs that collagen and other repair mechanisms are in good shape. If wounds don't heal or you notice unusual changes in your skin, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Sometimes, slow healing can be a sign of underlying health issues that need attention. Scientists are constantly discovering new ways to support and enhance the skin's natural repair abilities. From advanced skincare ingredients to regenerative medicine, the future looks bright for healthy, resilient skin. Let's recap. Your skin is a dynamic organ, always working to repair itself. Collagen and fibroblasts are at the heart of this process, keeping your skin strong and elastic. By supporting your skin's natural repair mechanisms, you can help maintain its health and youthful appearance. If your skin can repair itself, is there a way to help this process work even better? In our next video, we'll explore how certain skincare ingredients can stimulate collagen production and further boost your skin's natural healing power. Stay curious and keep learning about the science of healthy skin.